I'm going to share with you how to create payment plans with system.io. So first, I want you to duplicate the order form because this order form is for one-time payment, and I will duplicate this one, right? And it will be this one, and I named it 600 payment plans like this. And once you have done, you can click on that and you scroll down and you see the price plans right here. Click on this plus button. Now scroll down and you will see price plans. Scroll down and you will see create a new one. Now you need to type the name, and this is the digital mastery payment plans, and I can just type it in like this. Then for the statement descriptor is only allowed like 22 letters or so, so I will name it $600 payment plan. For price plan type, in this part it's important to choose payment plan. Now for the trial period, type 0. This one you can choose any, and I choose day. Then customer will pay, for example, for this product I will choose $200 each month, and they will need to pay 3 times. Okay, so every month they will pay $200 and they will complete it in 3 months. Now I just save it. Once I am done, I can click on this view funnel step right here. Now if you see, this is a digital mastery payment plan and it's $200 per month, and they need to pay 3 times. And PayPal will automatically subtract their payment every single month. Now once you have done that, you can click on this one to copy the link, and you go back to your sale page right here, and you'll find every single button that has a $600 payment plan, and you can just click on that one and you put the URL in here, just paste it in like this, and you can click on save changes. So that is how you can create payment plans in system.io. I hope this helps. This is Sydney from hithanhdotcom. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.